sir, one piece at a time. One piece at a time. This is standard siding from Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever you got your siding from. These windows, guys, I'm not even going to say the name of the company, but I would tell you I would never hire them to do another window for me. I could tell all this stuff is pure silicone. I know these windows, they didn't even peel and stick around the windows. They literally cut the old window out, put some kind of a plastic trim in there to catch the siding, and never put anything over the top of it. So this was just bare plywood. I put this and the peel and stick on here because I had a fire, so we replaced the deck, and so we have to do the siding. But yeah, I put this on here. The mobile home place didn't even put paper on the plywood or OSB. And then the window people that I had hired after that didn't even peel and seal the windows around them. Oh my God! Absolutely insanity. Oh, doesn't make any sense. People are garbage. People just don't do good work. This thing had not one piece of paper on it, but it had siding on it. Tell me how messed up that is. No paper at all. Just plywood or OSB. Can't believe it. The windows, nothing around the windows, no peel and seal, no nothing. I like it. And like Paul does, pull it up just a little bit. You don't want to pull it up much, and you never drive your nails deep. Never put your nails in deep. That's right. You want that to be able to move back and forth in that spot if it needs to. This stuff grows and shrinks. So that's it right there. Okay. I think they're afraid I'm gonna fall out on them. One night. I nail them. I mean, maximum I want to go is 12 inches. And if we have any wind storms around here, it's not going to blow this stuff off and put it at 12 inches. But put them at 2 feet, 3 feet, some people, you might have a problem. That right there is the way the whole wall was. Look at this trim. This is the way they did these windows. They cut them out, and then they put this piece of plastic trim around that window right there. It didn't even attach to the house. I mean, it doesn't even attach to the house right there. And then they put this piece of metal flashing over the top of it. What a crappy job. And they don't even care. Then they just leave. Now, it would have been nice if they would have took this material and went over the top of this back here, over the top of it down to here. Then it would have been waterproof. But there's no way they could waterproof that garbage. So we measured from there to here. We got 99 inches. See if you can get behind it, and I'll try to keep it tight. Hold up.
You good? You good?
Down, yep, right there. Oh. Yep, that's it. Overlapping a little bit right there. That's a beautiful thing. I got you. Yeah.
In the notebook.
Okay. Okay. So with my overlap, which is perfect, what I'm trying to do is get it over their lip and slid up all the way as far as it will go and stick it so that flange is flashed, because without it being flashed it can leak. That's a big leak right there. Golly. I cannot believe they didn't put any peel and seal on anything over here. There, Paul.
You plan on changing the store no more, are you?
Yeah.
Not too battery dead.
Nope. I got it over the flange. Oh yes, over the flange. I can feel it. It's in there. It's in there big time. All right. Good. Stick it really good. You want this stuff sticking to it. Hold the corners. Hold that top corner nice and tight. And just let it slide over that flange. Just like that. Oh yeah, just like that. Beautiful. Stick. Oops. I meant to put a piece of paper up there, Paul. I meant to put a piece of paper. When we put our top piece, we're gonna have to put a piece of paper on there.
Put that piece of tape on there.
Here.
Put that piece of tape on there.
Tape. There you go. That's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yep, I like it. Got out. What we did was we left our siding on here, and we're gonna run J channel to our siding into it, and then one side, then we're gonna turn another piece around to catch our siding the other side. So this might be interesting to you. I know you was just looking at the wall, but let's say that again. Yeah, keep your eyes open. We're gonna make this work without taking the box off the wall, because I was gonna call the electric company and then an electrician to get all this stuff pulled off the wall. It was gonna cost me hundreds of dollars. Disconnect and then a connect fee, reconnect fee. They would charge for them to come out here and do that, plus my electrician. I decided to leave the siding, and so I'm going to show you guys how you can leave your box on your wall and redo the siding on your wall without messing with it. And some people always do this wrong. I've seen it done so many times wrong. We're going to show you the right way today. Old Blackstone. Oh yeah, she's warm.
Yeah.
Warm in there. A lot of water. Look, it's full of water.
Yeah, the backside of it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where water came from. You poke holes in there.
No, that's my old thing.
Yeah. And what I'm gonna do with this?
Yes, sir.
And how the white well is. How much that point?
That's it.
Yep. Yeah. Oh wait, man. Well, with that off.
Looks good to me. And then just dremel it.
Yeah.
You gotta get off this paper.
No, I gotta cut paper.
Yeah.
I don't know where to cut paper right now.
Okay.
That's all what that's about right now.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah, the top might be a little more smaller. Back up.
The level's about 2.5 inches wide, I'd say.
Yeah. Yeah.
He just marked beside it, and that's where he's going to cut it with a Dremel tool. Fix the bottom before you go down there. You're going to be getting off as you go. I don't know what's going on there. There you go. Get it in. You understand what I say, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
Thank you.
That moved 1/8 of each.
Yes, sir. All right, so he's going to Dremel that out with a Dremel tool. Want to go ahead and mark the rest of it? No?
One side at a time.
I'd love that you mark the top so you know where that's going to end.
Top's going in right here. I'm just going to pull the staples out of it. I'm going to set the J channel right into that. So.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, 'cause that's all
Okay, I like that. Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Good idea. I love that idea. See what he's going to do? He's just going to pull the staples out of this and run the J channel down behind it. Show him what you got. Just like that. Beautiful. Oh, I like that.
Like that.
Just can't nail it.
No, I'm going to put white nose in it.
White nails. Can't nail it.
Yes, that's
That is it.
That's the only way I'm going to nail it. I'm going to put a white nail right here.
Yeah, white nails. I have some white nails out in the garage. I'll
Same
get
thing with
them.
these. I
Use
put a
them.
white nail here. There's 3 of them.
Yes, because you cannot nail that J.
Nope.
Isn't that something?
I'm going to glue it to the wall.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to glue it to the tape.
Yeah.
Then, put tape behind it, then we'll glue it to the tape.
Okay. Well, there you go, guys. So we're going to show you that whole process, how we do it, or how Paul does it. I'll be 100% honest with you. I've never done this before. I've seen it done on YouTube, but I've never personally done it. Paul said he watched a couple of videos too. Paul said I watched some videos. Paul don't like anything better than a Dremel tool.
Sawzall.
A Sawzall? You like Sawzall better? Yeah. You like the Sawzall and then a Dremel. Cut it all out, all the way up, and then we're going to put a J channel next to it. But before we do that, we'll cut this outside back here. Huh?
You gotta watch out for the paddle box.
Watch yourself now.
You know, he tried to hit me.
Did it?
Yeah. Already.
Oh boy, we close on this one. This one just barely made it on them thing.
Yeah.
I mean, didn't even make it really. Did not make it, Paul. We'll be all right. Well, boy, I seen that thing a minute ago and then it disappeared. So I looked for it.
Down some more.
Yeah, take that lip right off of that. Yeah, take that shit off of there. There you go. Take it right off of there. Maybe a knife, I don't know. If you had a sharp knife, it would cut it right off. Pretty much just drag it right across there. A couple times. I feel like.
You didn't give me enough room in my hat. I'm going to put a piece of coffee there.
Yes, you did. Take a couple. Couple little staples we can knock in a little bit. And a hammer would be nice. Little staples sticking down here.
Yeah, here we go.
There. All that getting right in the fucking way. Okay. Oh, that's so much better, Paul.
Yeah.
You get your end done the way you like it. Oh, that's so much better, Paul.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta trim my side up just a little bit for our J channel over here. No, I guess it might be just close enough. It'll be alright. It's not perfect, but it's not. Yeah, I'll trim it up a little bit. Let me trim this one piece right here. Alright, so we bought 2 boxes of siding. Looks like 2 boxes is gonna do this whole back for sure. We'll do more than the back with 2 boxes. Trimming out's the most basic thing. Look at this. Trimming. Yep, like that. And didn't find any, but I did find some painter's acrylic for the backside would be great. Backside, you know what I'm saying? And I did find these, so. Yep, that's looking good right there. That's the way you would make these right here, guys. Put your first piece in. Just like he did. That's all going behind the siding. You can't put nails in this, so what are we going to do about that? Nothing, right? Because this piece holds it in.
We'll put white nails here. At least one or 2 white nails.
This piece will never let it come out.
Well, that's true too.
We don't have to worry about it. You don't have to nail this piece because this piece holds that piece in. It can never come out, okay? So you never have to put nails in this, which makes it really nice. Now he's coming up the side, not with that one, but
No, with a full one.
He'll come up with a full one. It goes all the way to the top and tie into this piece over here, just like he's getting ready to do the same thing over here.
I did.
I already did it. So see, this is already slid over. Now that tab will bend over that waterproof top, and then again, hey, this will be up here. Right about the top of that, and that thing will snap right down into there. It doesn't snap into?
No, it's gonna go.
Oh, okay, it's gonna go that way. Okay.
It's gonna fold over.
Okay, I got you, Paul. I got you. Just like the other side. Yes, just like that. Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna have an angle.
An angle right there. Yes, I see you. I see you, Paul. I'm sorry. I'm telling people wrong. Anyways, this is how you box out something if you don't want to take your electrical box off your house.
If you had H channel, it'd be better.
H channel would be better if you had H channel.
But they don't sell it at Lowe's.
No, they do not sell H channel at Lowe's for some reason. All right, I'm gonna grab another freaking tube. If you're gonna do that, that's what you need, a bead like that anyway. Paul did it. Yeah. Coming right along. We'll finish this up tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have this backside finished, except for the very top piece. We're leaving it out because this is metal. They put metal in this, and we're gonna sand all that metal down, lightly sand it, put something that holds it back. They sell stuff that you put on that. You paint it right on, it will stop that rust from going any further, rust inhibitor type of stuff. And then I'm gonna repaint it white. It's gonna look beautiful.